today's episode, we're gonna make spaghetti. But first thing first, I have to clean. This place is a mess. I have to clean it up. That's better. I'm kind of a little late on doing a vlog today, but I got off kind of late. But the vlog goes on, you know. I haven't vlogged in so long. I'm a little rusty, so now I'm about to take a shower because I can't like cook in these conditions. But be in the shower, just give me a second, okay?
A few moments later.
Do I need some privacy? I do just love taking showers. It just gives you like a boost, like you just feel like a whole new person. But anyway, enough messing around, we're just gonna jump right into it. So here's our ingredients. This is what we're working with. We got ground turkey, we got the noodles, we got the links, we got the onion, we got the giant bell pepper, and we got the sauce. Alright, so we're gonna chop all this up. Alright, it looks good. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. Just a dab, you know, not too much. Let that warm up just a little bit, not a lot. Alright, next step, we need a pot. Alright, we're gonna fill this up with water.
Obviously.
Alright, now we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil inside of the pot, just a little bit. Loosen up the noodles and stuff. Alright, we're just gonna throw everything in there. Let this run about 5-10 minutes or so, maybe 6 minutes. I'll say 6. Now everybody grab that meat. Alright, the marinated meat, just throw it in. So about here, put some salt. Oh, a little bit of pepper. You're gonna let that meat soak for about 5 or 6 minutes or so, real quick. You want all the pinkness to go away. You want to look a little bit like grayish coloring. You should be straight. You can't forget about the garlic bread. It's a little bit of a mess, but you know, after you cut this up, you're gonna throw it in. When you're right about here, you want to throw the noodles in. Alright, when your noodles start spitting at you, that means it's ready. But my advice is you want to get like 1 or 2 noodles out of it, but don't burn yourself, and like try to taste it a little bit. If it's hard, put it back in. You need 2 more minutes. If it's soft, your noodles are ready. You already drained the noodles. You're gonna throw the meat inside the pot. Throw that in there. Now we're gonna put the Prego sauce inside. Let it warm up a little bit, you know. All right. So when your sauce is doing like this, like a bunch of drive-bys, either it's ready or you forgot about it, which I did. I forgot about it, but hopefully it still come out good. We're just gonna throw that sauce in there. And voila, you have spaghetti. Now let's try it out. The bread. Woo. Doesn't look that bad. Now the taste test. So my thing is here, you know, food was pretty good, but you know, I never told you guys what my main goal is on YouTube. My main goal is to try to get 80 to like 100 views. I'm happy with that. I don't want like millions, thousands. I'm not here to compete with nobody. I just want to make you guys laugh, entertain you guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.